On behalf of the Meriwest Credit Union Board of Directors, I'm pleased to present the 2024 Chairman's Report. This past year was filled with some remarkable events, both nationally and within our own organization. For example, the U.S. economy grew by 2.9%, surpassing many expectations. The Federal Reserve lowered interest rates on overnight borrowing for the first time in 4 years. And the S&P 500 reached over 55 all-time highs. Here at Meriwest, we also experienced several significant milestones. We refreshed our mission statement, bringing greater clarity and focus and commitment to the communities we proudly serve. We strengthened our already solid financial foundation, improving key ratios in preparation for future growth and expansion. For the 5th year in a row, we were honored by the Silicon Valley Business Journal as one of the Bay Area's best places to work. And every single one of our employees gave back, volunteering over 1,000 hours and donating more than $45,000 to meaningful community causes. We also launched the Meriwest Community Foundation, a new platform designed to carry our commitment to service well into the future. And throughout the year, your board of directors actively engaged in legislative advocacy, working closely with congressional leaders on Capitol Hill to represent your needs and interests. As you'll see throughout this annual report, Meriwest remains focused on building a strong, lasting foundation so that we can continue serving our members now and for generations to come. A big thank you to CEO Lisa Pesta and her outstanding team for a year marked by growth, dedication, and service. The Meriwest way continues to shine because of the tireless efforts of Team Meriwest. And to my fellow board members and dedicated volunteers, thank you as well for your leadership and support throughout the year. Most importantly, thank you, our loyal members and shareholders. Meriwest continues to thrive because of your trust and support. We're deeply committed to delivering even greater value for you in the year ahead and beyond in all that we do. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. In October of this year, I will celebrate 25 years with Meriwest Credit Union, the most recent 2.5 years serving as your CEO. I will be honored to join an elite club of 21 Meriwest team members that have dedicated over 25 years in serving our members. During my time at Meriwest, we have witnessed remarkable growth, from a $703 million credit union to a $2.1 billion credit union. Together, we have seen changes in the economy, advancements in technology, the rise of what is now called Silicon Valley, and watching our team of professionals grow from 165 to 245. And while a lot has changed throughout these 2.5 decades, some things are just as they were in the year 2000. Our commitment to providing exceptional, quality financial services, staying engaged in our communities, and helping our underserved neighbors. This is the foundation of what makes Meriwest special to our 80,000 members. In recap of 2024, Team Meriwest worked to further reinforce this foundation as we pivot our focus towards growth and expansion opportunities. From a financial perspective, we strengthened our balance sheet and improved our net worth ratio to prepare us for growth and expansion. We took the first steps towards creating new non-interest income sources by establishing a Meriwest Holdings QSO, which will own some of our new product and service concepts. We refreshed our long-term strategic plan and built a financial roadmap for years to come. From an internal controls perspective, we modernized our policies to keep the safety and soundness of our members' assets the top priority. We reconfigured several of our internal procedures to enhance member service and quality. We reorganized our member-facing teams to align with our members' needs. For our social impact report, we received 6 awards from our nonprofits, schools, and chambers for outstanding community service. We are a founding sponsor of Bay FC, introducing women's soccer to the Bay Area. And we established the Meriwest Community Foundation to formalize and accelerate our philanthropic efforts. Much like building the foundation of a home, some of this work was necessary but not visible outside the walls of Meriwest. By design, our work in 2024 was meant to set us up for success in future years. Speaking to you now, Nearly midway through 2025, I'm excited to share some of the results that we have been able to achieve because of our foundation work in 2024. We launched Zelle. We heard you say that this was important, so we reprioritized to make Zelle live as of March 31, 2025. Full-service business banking options have been an area of service that our members have been requesting for over a decade. As of 2025, we can now make that request a reality. We built a platform through our partnership with Enable to serve the banking and borrowing needs of small and startup businesses. We relaunched our business services platform to offer a full suite of commercial lending, business banking, and cash management services. Meriwest is now partnered with the SBA to offer our members 7A and 504 loans. Introducing MyLine, an innovative way to put cash flow control back into the hands of our members, helping to avoid fees caused by occasional overdrafts. And on May 5th, Meriwest's 64th birthday, we purchased a property just north of our main office. This new property that connects to our existing building will become the Meriwest campus. This will include a modern branch and a potential coffee shop partner. Meriwest Credit Union has been in service to our membership since 1961 and continues to focus on service to our members, our communities, and each other. Because Meriwest is a place where all members of our communities can belong. A place where members are served by a team of people who feel good about the positive experience they provide. This is the Meriwest way. Thank you.
Meriwest Credit Union was not immune to these fluctuations. Market interest rates on various loan, investment, deposit, borrowing products, as well as quality of loan assets, particularly in commercial real estate, influenced our core profitability. Throughout 2024, we stayed focused on strengthening our balance sheet and making strategic investments for the future. To balance growth and net worth in 2024, we implemented a strategy to right-size our balance sheet, reducing total assets by 4.4%, bringing them to $2.1 billion. This resulted in Meriwest achieving a net worth ratio of 9.28%, positioning the organization for sustained long-term growth and profitability. From an income perspective, net interest income dropped slightly, while operating expenses increased by 4% and provisions for loan losses related to commercial real estate decreased substantially. These combined factors resulted in a significant increase in net income, ending 2024 at $5.5 million, with a return on assets of 0.26%. Based on these results and aligned with Meriwest's strategic plan, I am happy to report that our credit union is financially sound and getting stronger. Looking ahead to 2025, we expect continued challenges but remain confident in our financial resilience. Meriwest's strong financial foundation and dedicated management team enable us to continue serving our members and our communities with confidence. Thank you.
The Supervisory Committee exercises its diligence defined in the credit union's bylaws, as well as the California Department of Financial Protection and Innovation Financial Code for Credit Unions. At least once a year, ensure or cause to be made an independent auditor of the Supervisory Committee's selection, an audit of the credit union's books and records, and an examination of the business and affairs of the credit union for the year. At least annually, cause accounts of members to be verified with the records of the credit union. The Supervisory Committee may make or cause to be made any supplementary inspections of the securities, cash, and accounts of the credit union or audits as it deems necessary. Review the credit union's policies and controls procedures to safeguard against fraud and self-dealing, and exercise whatever efforts are necessary, pursuant to the California Financial Code sections 14551 and 14553 to meet those responsibilities. Again, in 2024, Turner, Warren, Wong, and Conrad, TWHC, AC, certified public accountants, performed our annual consolidated financial statements, audit, and our financial confirmation of members' accounts. TWHC issued an unqualified opinion of the consolidated financial statements of Meriwest Credit Union and subsidiaries as of September 30th, 2024 and 2023. Additionally, the National Credit Union Association, along with the DFPI, completed their annual review of Meriwest Credit Union. Your supervisory committee members, Jason Laker, Taylor Lee, and I, are pleased to announce Meriwest has been found to be sound in both policy and practice. Meriwest Credit Union team members demonstrated the strength of the Meriwest way by continuing to serve you, our members, with the integrity, commitment, and attention you deserve. The strong culture of the Meriwest way reassures you, our members, that your assets are being properly safeguarded. In closing, the Supervisory Committee members acknowledge and thank Darcy Sosaby, along with the compliance team of Cindy Watson, Victoria Casey, and Yvette Salazar, for their outstanding support throughout the year. Thank you.